Okay, so here is my heart model. Got the heart and they're all numbered, and then I'll go through what each number is and the function of that structure. So obviously blue is the deoxygenated blood, and they shortened it for DO when we look at the flow of the blood. And then red is oxygenated blood, just shortened it with O. And then I just reminded myself that artery is leaving the heart and vein is going to the heart. So I'll start with the flow of the movement and direction of the blood. So we'll start here. The blood, deoxygenated blood that's collected from around the body, specifically going in through the superior vena cava, is deoxygenated blood from the upper body in the head, and it's going into the superior vena cava. And the DO blood that's collected from the rest of the body comes in through the inferior vena cava. So they're both coming in this way, and they go into the right atrium. So they go into the right atrium, and this valve pumps that blood into the right ventricle, and the next valve pumps the deoxygenated blood this way and this way, through the pulmonary arteries, going this way, and it's sending the deoxygenated blood, this one to the left lung and this one to the right lung, so that they can pick up oxygen from the lungs. And now, following the movement of the oxygenated blood, we have right here the pulmonary veins. So oxygenated blood is entering from the left lung because it went to go get oxygen and comes back in here with oxygen, so it's red. This way it comes in through the left, and this way it comes in through the right. And they go into the left atrium. Then this valve pumps the oxygenated blood into the left ventricle, which this valve pumps through the aorta, which is sent all throughout the body, and also goes down this way to send the oxygenated blood to the rest of the body, like the lower part of the body. So let's start with number one. Number one, we went through the superior vena cava. It brings the deoxygenated blood from the upper body into the heart. The inferior vena cava, have it right here, brings deoxygenated blood from the lower body to the heart. The pulmonary artery right here is sending deoxygenated blood to the lungs to pick up oxygen, so left lung going to the right lung. 5, the aorta, it sends the oxygenated blood throughout the body. Specifically, if it's going this way, it's going up to like the head, the shoulders, the arms. 6 is the is just saying that this is deoxygenated blood, just recognizing that, going to the left lung. 7 is it's going to the right lung. 8 here is the right atrium, which receives the deoxygenated blood from the vena cava, pumps blood into the right ventricle. Number 9, right here is the right ventricle, pumps deoxygenated blood to the lungs. Left atrium, number 10, receives oxygenated blood from the lungs, and through here, through the veins, the pulmonary veins. Pumps blood into the left ventricle, which is number 11, left ventricle, pumps oxygenated blood up through the aorta and going down this way as well. And then the valves, so the heartbeat is the opening and closing of these valves, which are pushing the blood through, and it has that pressure that is keeping the blood going. And it also helps blood move at the right pace and direction. So that is my heart model and my detailed description of the structures and functions of our heart.